When it comes to high-performance projectors for professional use, this model stands out immediately. The Panasonic PT-VMW61 WXGA LCD laser projector combines impressive brightness, long-lasting laser technology, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for offices, classrooms, and large venues where consistent output is critical. Starting with brightness, this projector delivers a massive 6,200 lumens. That means it easily handles rooms with ambient lighting, making images and text clear and readable without needing to dim the lights. Whether you're running a corporate presentation, a classroom lesson, or a conference seminar, the visuals remain vivid, sharp, and professional. The brightness alone makes it stand out from many competitors in the same category. The resolution is WXGA, offering 1280 by 800 pixels. While it's not targeting ultra-high-definition entertainment, this resolution is well-suited for professional and educational applications. It provides clear text, well-defined charts, and smooth video playback, ensuring your content is communicated effectively. For environments where clarity and efficiency are essential, this WXGA projector is more than sufficient. One of the most compelling features is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, laser technology provides consistent brightness and color over a longer lifespan, up to 20,000 hours in many cases. This translates into lower maintenance costs, fewer replacements, and a projector that remains reliable year after year. Instant startup and shutdown add to the convenience, eliminating waiting times and cool-down periods associated with lamp projectors. Color reproduction is another strong point. The LCD panel ensures natural and accurate colors, making slides and images look professional. Whites are bright and clean, while overall color balance maintains a polished appearance suitable for meetings, presentations, or educational videos. While this isn't a projector designed for cinematic home theater experiences, it excels at professional content display. Flexibility and installation options are where this projector really shines. With lens shift, zoom, and keystone correction, it adapts to multiple room layouts. Ceiling-mounted or table-mounted setups are easy to adjust, and you can achieve a perfectly aligned image without stress. This makes it a practical option for offices and schools where projector placement can vary. Connectivity options are extensive, including HDMI, USB, and network ports. This ensures compatibility with laptops, media devices, and office network setups. Quick switching between sources and easy integration make this projector ideal for environments where multiple users need seamless access. Noise levels remain low, even at full brightness. The projector operates quietly enough to avoid distractions during meetings or classroom sessions. This quiet operation is essential in professional and educational settings, where focus is critical. The design is minimal and professional, with a clean white finish that fits well into office and classroom spaces. Build quality is solid, reflecting Panasonic's emphasis on durability and reliability. It's a projector built for daily use, capable of handling frequent operation without compromising performance. This projector is tailored for professionals, educators, and organizations that require dependable performance day in and day out. If your goal is a device for home theater or gaming, this might not be ideal due to resolution focus. But for presentations, lectures, and large venues, it is one of the most reliable choices in its class. Overall, the Panasonic PT-VMW61 delivers unmatched brightness, long-term reliability, excellent color performance, and flexible installation options. It is designed to reduce downtime, increase productivity, and provide a professional image display in every environment. For anyone looking to upgrade their presentation setup or invest in a high-output projector, this model checks all the boxes. To purchase this projector, check the link in the description below for availability and the latest pricing.